Hello friends, welcome to the second concept of the course Learn Emerging Trends in Computer, that is Internet of Things. Internet of Things is the most emerging or latest types of technology which are used in our day-to-day life nowadays. Okay, so for studying of or for understanding the concept of Internet of Things, we have to go for the embedded system. We need to study, we need to learn, we need to get it clear that what is embedded system. So an embedded system is a system that has software embedded in a computer hardware. An embedded system combines mechanical, electrical and chemical components along with a computer hidden inside to perform a single dedicated task or purpose or operation. In simple, we can say that an embedded system is a controller with a dedicated function within a large mechanical or electrical system. For example, washing machine, microwave ovens, cameras, printers, and automobiles. So these are the best example of embedded systems. So in this way, these are the few concepts, few definitions of embedded system. In short, we can say that the combination of mechanical, electrical and chemical components which are used to perform a specific dedicated task, that is called as embedded system, and which is used to control various operations of that particular device. For example, microwave oven. In microwave oven, an embedded system is embedded or installed on the control panel. It is used to place an control room or controller of the microwave oven. A simple system or simple circuit or control circuit which is used to perform various tasks of the microwave oven, that is called as embedded system, which contains mechanical parts, that is the display or touch pads or touch buttons which are present on the keypad of the microwave oven, which contains the microcontroller, that is a processor which having the code or which is programmed and installed on the circuit board of the microwave oven, and that circuit board is used to control each and every operation of the microwave oven. So that is the concept of embedded system. Now we can see that these kind of embedded systems are available or present in our day-to-day life or various home appliances or the devices or the what you can say machines or the computer systems which we the human beings are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, so this is the basic block diagram of the embedded system. Two main things, that is input variables and the output variables, are present in the embedded system. Then second, user interface is nothing but the two-way communication from for to and from this embedded system and other systems which are used to get connected to this embedded system. The internal structure of embedded system contains hardware as well as software, which can be clearly seen in this block diagram. So in that way, input variables are just nothing but the single way communication towards the embedded system, and output variables are nothing but the single way communication devices or output variables from the embedded system. The characteristics of the embedded systems are as follows. It executes a particular operation and does the similar continually. That means whatever the dedicated task that is performed by this system continuously. All the computing system have limitations on design matrix. It must perform fast enough and consume less power to increase the battery life or the power consumption. Several embedded systems should constantly react to changes in the system and also calculate particular results in real time without any delay. For instance, a car cruise controller, it continuously displays and responds to speed and brake sensors. So in that way, these are the characteristics. More characteristics are: it must be based on the microcontroller or microprocessor. It must require a memory. It must need connected peripherals to attach input and output devices. An embedded system is inbuilt with hardware and Software. Hardware security and performance must be given by the hardware and to the hardware components of the embedded system. Software must be more flexible and more features will be available in these kind of embedded systems software. So these are the few characteristics of embedded system. Now the application, we'll see the application of embedded system. In this way, in front of you there is the image which shows the various connecting devices like screen phones, set-top box, handheld PC, PDA, smart mobile phones. These are the connectivity devices in which embedded systems are used. Various consumer electronic devices, that is handheld games, uh, thin client system, MP3 player, DAC systems, gaming console. These are the various consumer electronic devices in which the embedded systems are used. And the next type of devices are computing devices, which is palm top or palm PC, auto PC, PDA, MP3 players, internet TV, etc. These are the various computing devices in which embedded systems are used. That means these are the applications of embedded system. In automobiles, the application of embedded system in automobiles are motor control, cruise control, body safety, engine safety, robotics, car multimedia, car entertainment, e-com access and mobiles, etc. In telecommunication, the embedded system can be used in networking, mobile computing and wireless communication. In smart cards, the embedded system can be used in banking, telephone and security systems. In satellite and missiles, in defense system, communication and aerospace, the embedded system can be used. The computer networking and peripherals applications of embedded system are used in image processing, networking system, printers, network cards, monitors and display. Digital consumer electronics like set-top box, DVDs, high definition TV and digital cameras, these are one of the example, or you can say the applications of embedded system. So these are different applications of embedded system. In embedded system, different types of processors are used, which are PIC, Peripheral Interface Controller, ARM, Advanced RISC Machines. These are different types of processor which are under the category of ARM, AVR and ASIC, that is Application Specific Integrated Circuit. These are the different or various types of processors, or we can say the controller, microcontrollers which are used in embedded system. Okay, so that's all for this embedded system. Thank you for your listening, patience listening. I hope you have enjoyed the course, you have enjoyed the session, you will enjoy this course in further sessions. Thank you everyone.